Wonderful. So we almost missed our flights, but we're finally here in Goa, and we haven't actually checked into our hotel yet, but we're sitting in the restaurant of our hotel, and it's so cute. I feel like this actually kind of set the vibe for the entire trip. Perfect mood, because all of us, by the way, I'll explain more who's come with us, why we are here, all of that later on. But basically all of us are surviving on 1 or 2 hours of sleep, and we were so down, all of us. But यहाँ पे check-in करते ही हमारा mood थोड़ा सा uplift हो गया है. We just ordered a little bit of breakfast for us, and I'll show you guys what our rooms look like very soon. But cheers. Cheers. She's vlogging.
To Mayur Agarwal.
To Mayur, for Mayur Agarwal. Who's also, by the way, going to be joining us.
That we'll have to explain the entire deal.
Yeah, you do it. It's your
Whatever it is.
trip, whatever this is called. I don't know what to call it.
Just a getaway.
Getaway, yeah. Pre-wedding getaway.
Yeah.
We just checked in to our rooms. First thoughts.
Very pretty.
Yeah, it's very nice. I'll give you a room tour right now. So this is the first thing that you'll see when you enter, and aate hi left side pe is the washroom. How cute is the washroom? I really like it. So this is the like basin area, and then here is the shower area, and then here is the actual room. It's so cute. I'm definitely taking a bunch of pictures right here. They've created this little nook here, which is very aesthetic. And then right opposite the bed we have the TV console area, and then a wardrobe for you to keep your clothes, and then there's another nook right here which is so cute. We just got our luggage in. So we have some complimentary cookies right here, and I think this is wine. Let's try it out, and let's cheers to our trip, guys. Cheers. Cheers to what?
Cheers to Adu getting married.
Woo! I think let's start off by organizing everything and just putting everything in the cupboard. That way my next 3 days will be like a lot easier and smooth. Mandatory organize karna. So let's get started. Also set up this really cute corner in the bathroom, and they had these like bins, so we put all of our like hair appliances in here. And this side is Adu's corner, like she set up all of her stuff on the right side.
And this is where Adi will put his thing.
So we've called for some क्या बोलते हैं इसको, room service. Room service ही बोलते हैं ना.
Room dining.
In room.
You've called for some food in our room.
So we've called for some food in our room. So I have ordered some grilled cheese. What is this?
Prawns fry.
And then?
Prawns curry.
And then steamed rice, and then some salad. We are ready for the day. We did sneak in a nap. We slept for like 2 hours. 2 hours is not a nap. We slept basically. So we're feeling a lot better now. And what the plan for today is that we're gonna go to Baga Beach. And then that's all the plan that we have. We actually spent way too much time trying to figure out what we wanted to do for the day. So pro tip, decide what you want to do in advance. We didn't get to actually sit down and plan what we wanted to do like day by day. Actually, I forgot to tell you guys why we are here, with whom I'm here. So let me explain all of that right now. So I'm here in Goa with Aditya and Adya. It's just the 3 of us, and we are here for Adya's like pre-birthday vacation. It was supposed to
Birthday.
pre-birthday
वापस.
pre-wedding vacation. It was actually supposed to be like a bachelorette, but things didn't go too well. We were also supposed to go to like a different place altogether, but we're in Goa right now because of the situation. It just made more sense to go to Goa. And also everyone was supposed to come also, like all of our friends were supposed to come, but then Diwali ka time hai, like it's like I think 10-15 days before Diwali, so everyone had their own like priorities. So it's just Aditya, Adya and me, and it seems like a odd, like a kya bolte hai, odd combo, but it's not, because the three of us hang out a lot. Like the three of us I feel like hang out a lot, like most in terms of like quantity, so we're really like okay with it. And also Mayur is also coming here, but he's gonna be coming here with all of his guy friends, so we might meet him for a day or two, like for a few hours here and there. But basically that's the plan. We're just here for 3 days approximately, and we're gonna be chilling. There's no plan. This is just like a fun vacation, pre-shadi vacation. So this is what my outfit of the day looks like for day 1. So this is like a very jugaadu outfit. So the top that I'm wearing is like a proper cami. मैंने एक साइड को ऐसे आगे करके ये situation बना दिया है, and this was like in a large size which I got by mistake. And then this skirt is from Myntra, and then this shirt is my dad's plain white shirt, and then I'm like tied everything off from the back to make it like fit my body. And then we have this tote because I have so many cameras to carry. So yeah, this is what my outfit looks like. Okay, so we are in our cab right now, and I booked this cab using the app called Goa Miles. Ola and Uber doesn't really work here, so this is their version of Ola and Uber. And from what we've heard, this is basically like approximately half the price of like regular cabs, right? We were trying to get into an auto, but we couldn't find one. And also the reason why we aren't renting scooties or cars is because with 3 it's an odd number, so scooties don't make sense. And car ka scene aisa hai ki we might not be able to find parking, there might be traffic, so this is just a lot more convenient. We've reached Baga Beach and we're just walking to like find like a cute cabana. Last time we made the mistake of just finding the first one and sitting there. So right now we're walking towards like the end of the beach, and abhi tak like night time nahi hua hai. So as you can see, ऐसे ये जो पूरा light situation होगा वो और भी ज़्यादा होगा. So we are at Las Olas and everything is so expensive. So I'm asking Aditya कि आगे जाके देख के दूसरे लोगों के menu cards.
The next day,
Adu doing her 2-step makeup routine, which is just kajal and liner. Sorted life. So it is day 2, and yesterday we went to Baga Beach. I vlogged that, and then after that I couldn't vlog anything because it was very loud, and also it was very crowded and it was dark. So couldn't really vlog anything, but we ended up going to the White Goa after sitting on the shacks, and it was pretty nice. Like it was boring at first, as in terms of the music, it was very like sad starting mein, but as the like night progressed, the songs got better and it was a fun time. We did come back home by I think 12:30 or 1. We were back in our rooms because we were tired, so we slept, and then it's the next morning. So today, the plan for today is that we're going to Burger Factory right now. We really enjoyed Burger Factory the last time we were here in Goa, and Aditya really wanted to come, and mujhe bhi actually acha laga tha. So that's what we're doing right now. And then in the evening, we're going to Purple Martini, which I'm excited about, and I'll take you guys along. I feel like this is going to be like my outfit of the day corner, where I do my outfit of the day. So this is what I'm wearing today. I have to wear a white dress when I come to Goa, and I love white dresses in general. So this is the one that I'm wearing. It's from Myntra. As usual, my same bag, but I added like a scarf just for a little bit of an accessory. And then my glasses are the ones that Jatin gave me in the mystery box challenge video. And then all of this is H&M. So when I'm on vacations, I like to wear fake jewelry. So H&M is a really good place because their jewelry doesn't tarnish. Okay, so today Aditya is also going to give us his outfit of the day. No, you have to. I think it looks really nice. I styled him today. So let's see what he is wearing. Hold on. Tell everyone what you're wearing.
Shirt ke andar chain and shorts.
Where are your shorts from? Give them the details. You probably don't remember yourself. Okay, fine. Your shirt is from H&M, and then under is just a plain. Actually, it's not even a plain white shirt. Show them what you've done. The hack. It's like a grey and white shirt. He didn't have a plain white shirt, so we wore this. And then we got this chain from H&M and I forced him to wear it. But I think it looks really nice. Please comment down below and tell him that this outfit looks good. So I forced Adu to do an OOTD as well. Tell everyone your outfit details.
I think this one is from Forever 21.
Yeah.
And this is from Bandra.
Yeah.
Hill Road.
Oh, and your shoes are also really cute.
These I ordered online.
From?
Myntra.
Myntra. Yeah, Myntra is really
Myntra or
nice.
Ajio, because these are two platforms that I ordered from.
Yeah, me too.
So yeah.
Looking cute. So we're in the elevator. Even the elevator is so cute here. So we've ordered a Goa Miles se a cab. Should be here any minute. So we reached Burger Factory. The one in Anjuna, the last time that we had gone was in Morjim, and Morjim one right now is closed. I don't know if it's permanently shut, but that one is so beautiful. Like, it's on the beach and the ambience is really nice. The food is also really nice. This one is not on the beach, so bear that in mind. I don't know how the food is. I mean, it's the same franchisee, but food might differ. I'll update you guys on that. But we had a 40-minute waiting time, so we're just walking to the beach. The beach is 10 minutes walking, so we're walking there because 40 minutes यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है करने के लिए. So we're just gonna go on the Anjuna beach. Also indulging in some street shopping. Okay, change of plan. We got a call and we finally got in a table. It's very, very crowded. So we're just waiting on our burger right now.
Hi guys, welcome to Adi Camp. So we are done with our lunch from Burger Factory. I love this place. The burgers are delicious. I definitely would recommend you to try this out. But I mean, it's not so much of an aesthetic place,
Yeah.
but the food is delicious.
It's not a vibe. Like the food, if you want to have like really yummy burgers, then you can come here. But कुछ vibe नहीं है यहाँ पे. Like you just eat and you leave, basically.
That is it. So now what is the game plan?
Now we're going to the hotel because of some unforeseen circumstances. And then I don't know what we're gonna do. Actually, we do need to go to Purple Martini, but that's at like 4:30. So we still have 2 hours. है ना? Around 2 hours we have. So we'll go to the hotel and I do have an idea. Let's see अगर वो होता है. अगर हुआ तो मैं बताती हूँ क्या कर रहे हैं. I can't get over our hotel. So they have this kettle. And we're making some hot water right now because mera gala actually is hurting a lot. It's only because I had a lot of like cold drinks yesterday, so thoda sa my throat is itching, but I'm sure the hot water is gonna fix it. Now the plan is to go to the poolside. Our hotel has a pool, and also our hotel offers like free massages whenever you come to stay here. So we're gonna go redeem that right now because we do have like 40 minutes to kill, and 40 minutes में कहाँ जाएंगे और कहाँ कुछ करेंगे. So we're just gonna chill in our hotel, and after which we'll leave. So I just got done, and that was so good. I literally slept for 20 minutes straight. Do you wanna tell them what just happened?
We wanted to go to Purple Martini today, and we've been trying to reach out to them since yesterday.
Yeah.
Say hi, by the way.
What's up?
But the other gang just reached there and they were like, there's a 50 people line, 2 hours waiting.
Yeah.
So now we have to figure out plan B.
I know stats.
Yeah.
And no stags allowed. So there's only like, there are 2 girls, only me and Maddie. And there's some 9 guys. So
The next day.
So we have ordered for some food from Swiggy. Swiggy works here in Goa, so if you don't want to step out for some food, you can definitely call Swiggy and get your food delivered to your hotel. So what we have ordered right now is from this place called the Fisherman's Wharf. This is fish curry, kingfish fry, dal makhani, 2 steam rice bowls. I guess, yeah, that's it basically for our lunch today. So the lunch is here, but Maddie refuses to get up. She's sleeping since I don't know how many hours.
Shut up. For so many hours.
See, that's how you get her to wake up. So this is what my plate looks like. This is rice with fish curry, prawns fry and kingfish fry.
Okay, so we're all ready for the casino. Today's main thing is to go to the casino. Today is also our last day, last full day. Tomorrow we're gonna leave early in the morning. Last night we ended up going to Casa Playa instead of Purple Martini because हम लोगों को मिला ही नहीं वहाँ पे जगह. And we ended up going to Mayur's Villa after which his Airbnb was so pretty. And we left late at night. I think 12-1 baje we left and then we came back here. So yeah, that's basically just the plan for today. I will show you guys what my outfit looks like. So this is what my outfit looks like. I'm wearing these leather pants, which are actually, I don't even remember where they're from. This is from Forever 21. I got it like years ago, and we have this cute red bag. So this is the bag that I'm carrying with me, but one thing that I needed to show you guys is this Peabody thing. So basically I've mentioned this quite a lot of times in my previous videos as well, but basically this is like a funnel that you can use and pee standing up, and this has been the biggest lifesaver for us, both of us. We were able to like pee so comfortably everywhere, and yeah, I would highly recommend this in general also to have in your bag, but especially when you're traveling. So we are back from the casino. It is 4:30 in the morning. Actually, one second. Aditya, idhar aa. Sleepy much.
Very much, but we had so much fun.
I know. Adi, tell them how much we. I mean, profit to nahi tha, but how much were we able to make in the casino?
So we made around 9,600 rupees in just those slot reel games. But the one in which you have to just press the button and then the thing spins.
Yeah.
So we won around 9,500 in that, and everyone was shocked to see us win such a huge amount in the game like that, because most of us think that these are rigged. Like you will not win more than 100-200 bucks in that. But we won 9,600, so I think that's quite an achievement.
अचीवमेंट मतलब अच्छा था. हमने रूले भी खेला था. सो लास्ट टाइम जब हम आए थे ना, तब रूले बहुत ज्यादा खेला था, एंड आई हैड लाइक मेड मोस्ट ऑफ माय मनी इन रूले. बट आज मेरा रूले में बिल्कुल भी नसीब नहीं चल रहा था. ब्लैक जैक, या लाइक लास्ट टाइम यू प्लेड ब्लैक जैक. But anyway, this was your first time in a casino. How was the experience?
For me, yes. Honestly, I feel that it's a waste of money. Truly. But just because Mayur went, I went.
Yeah. But it's worth going once.
Yeah, I went to experience the whole thing. It's a lot of waste of money. I don't know why people put money behind that. But yeah, it was an experience and I enjoyed it because of the crowd. Because I had Maddie, I had May's friends, I had Adi, I had so many people.
Yeah.
So we had fun that way.
So now we're gonna go and sleep because tomorrow we need to leave at 9. So फिर से सोने को नहीं मिलने वाला है. But कल we'll do like a highlights thing of the trip, okay? I know, even I feel sad. So we're back home. We did not film the highlights as I had promised you guys because we were so tired and I didn't want to force them to like sit down and like film in front of the camera when they were tired. But we're back home. We also got our RT-PCR done. All of us came back negative, which is amazing. But I think that's basically it for today's vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this Goa vlog. I think this is like my third Goa vlog that I've like posted on my channel. This one was a very different one because for the first time ever when I was traveling we didn't have a plan. Usually we always have like a itinerary ready and like we know like the places where we're eating, the places that we're visiting, which I actually really liked because it was very relaxing. Like हमने बहुत आराम भी किया और मजे भी किए. Like it was a good balance. We woke up late, we were out till late, so I think overall it was amazing. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog and I really hope you guys will be able to see more travel vlogs because I'm really hoping to travel more ASAP. But that's it. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!